Hello, in this video we will look at converting a lead client into an active client. To start, we go to the lead tracker menu. Under the Clients tab, we find the lead client that we'd like to convert to active. So we're going to go to Charlie Brown. We have all our information filled out on here. If you don't, it's okay. You can still do it once you save as you're saving the client. We press Convert to Client under the top menu. Now we are under Charlie Brown in the Client section. You can see that we moved from lead client to client, so this is entering Charlie Brown as an active client. We already have all of these required fields filled out. We need to enter the client status, which is going to be active, and we need to provide a funding source if one's not already on here. One is not. So we're just going to put Charlie Brown as a private pay self-payer, populate, done, press save, and that's it. You can now see Charlie Brown under the Clients menu. But what if you've already added an active client and still have the lead client but didn't coordinate the two to start with? Well, you can go back under the lead tracker. You can go to who you're looking for. We're going to go under Angelica Pickles, and we're going to change the status to inactive, move to active clients. Even though we didn't do it ourselves, we created them separately, and press save. So now if we go into search, inactive, move to active clients, we can find Angelica Pickles, also Charlie Brown, which we did through the convert button. And now we can link with client. So if we press that, we can find the client that we're looking to link with, which is Angelica Pickles. Press done, and there you have it. We press save, and Angelica Pickles is linked to the actual client. So now if you're under the perspectives, you can press go to client, and it takes you to Angelica Pickles' client page. There you go. Good luck with converting your leads to active clients. Thanks.